How to find and access TikTok Shop if it's not showing up. So hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about how to fix your TikTok Shop if it's not showing. So let's go right into the process. First, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Afterwards, here below you can actually see a panel. Click on your profile icon. Once you're in your profile page, click on the ellipses button in the upper right hand corner, which looks like this one. After which, what we're going to do is that we're going to select settings and privacy. Now in this activity, what you're going to do is we're gonna scroll down and there we can see report a problem. So click on that one. When you reach to the report a problem page, you're going to continue scrolling down below and then click on submit a report. Now in this section, you will actually tell them your feedback or your problem with regards to your TikTok shop if it's not showing up. So just type in your concern. Say for example, TikTok shop is not showing. And then you can add please help me. And then there. Afterwards, if you have completed inputting your concern in this section, what you're going to do is to simply click on the submit button here, and then afterwards you just need to wait for TikTok to respond to your concern. And basically that's how you can fix your TikTok shop if it's not showing up. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.